Hey guys, this is Jonathan from Fitness for Freedom. Today we are going to show you one of the best full body posture exercises that you can do, the tabletop. Now, what do I like about the tabletop so much? It simultaneously trains a whole bunch of different parts of your body. For starters, you get your glutes going. So your glutes will become very active during this exercise. And most people have inactive glutes and underdeveloped glutes, which is very important if you're trying to improve your posture and or reduce the amount of back pain you have. 2, you have to squeeze your shoulder blades down and back and stick your chest out to get in this position, which means you're going to train or strengthen your shoulder stabilization muscles through your shoulder blades, okay? And 3, as you push your hips up, you're going to stretch the front muscles in your shoulders here and into your arm and your bicep. So it's going to help you open your shoulders up, okay? So as you're doing this exercise, all of those things are happening at the same time, which make it a really effective exercise for you to do. Now, what are some common mistakes people make when they do this one? They'll try to do it with their feet just in a little bit too close, and that'll make it really hard for them to get all the way up. So have relatively good distance between your feet and your hands, okay? You can have your fingers pointed backwards or forwards, okay? Neither is right or wrong. They're just a little bit different, and I would actually recommend doing them both ways so that you can work on the mobility through your shoulders in both directions, okay? Because you'll notice that one direction for you is easier than or harder than the other. Hey, now the next thing we're going to look at is how many repetitions you do and how long you hold it up for. So when you're first starting this exercise, I recommend doing it in repetition style, where you just reach up for a minute. So go up as high as you can and then pop up even just a little bit higher and then lower yourself back down. And then as you get more mobility through your shoulders, you feel your glutes getting stronger, then you can start to hold it up for longer periods of time and then eventually just hold it up as part of the exercise. And if you wanted to really get fancy, you could turn it into a little bit of a crab walk, but that's much harder and I even struggle doing that. So for most people, just holding it up for a longer time is probably hard enough. And that is it. Easy peasy, one of the best full body posture exercises that you can do. Now, if you would like some more posture exercises or you would like some posture programs to follow, click the link below because we built some for you to do. Take care and we'll talk to you soon.